Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome to English in Time YouTube channel. Well, from this video, you can learn about introduction. You can introduce yourself properly, identify the expression of introducing, responding to the introducing, create a dialogue of introduction. Well, what is introduction? Yes, introduction is an expression of introduction to know one's identity. Then, there are two forms of introduction, that is formal and informal. As we know, formal introduction is used when you introduce yourself in a formal room. This is the formal introduction. Good morning, my name is blah blah blah. You may write down your name. And then the second, please allow me to introduce myself. May I introduce myself? Would you mind if I introduce myself? Let me introduce myself. I would like to introduce myself. How do you do? My name is blah blah blah. Okay, that's all the formal introduction expression that can be used in your dialogue. And then we'll come to the responses. Good morning, how do you do? How do you do? Nice to meet you. Oh, hello, nice to meet you. I'm Kazi. My name is Rasa. Hi, hello mister. Hi, I'm Ben. Glad to meet you. Hello, my name is Lucky. Pleased to meet you. Good evening. I am happy. How do you do? How do you do? My name is Rosa. Nice to meet you. Yeah, those are the responses of formal introduction. And this is the example. Let me introduce myself. My name is Aura. I'm 16 years old. I was born on October 17, 2005 in Bandar Lampung, where I live till nowadays. Then I study at SMA Global Madani. Students, and then we come to informal introduction. Here, as we know, informal introduction is used when you introduce yourself to someone at about the same age with you. Here's some expression of informal introduction. Hello, I am Rosa. Nice to meet you. Hi, I'm Sarah. Nice to meet you. Excuse me, I am Ben. What's your? Hi, what is your name? Yeah, those are the expressions. And then we come to the responses. Hi, I am Ben. Nice to meet you. Hello, I am Sarah. Nice to meet you. I am Rosa. Hello, I am Waika. My name is Waika. And this is the example of informal introduction. Hi friends, my name is Ben Aika, but please call me Ben. I was born in Central Java on September 10, 2003. I am 18 years old. I live at Bumi Street number 40. I live with my parents. I'm single and I'm a student. I study at the University of Lampung. I have taken business as my majoring. Yeah, that was the example of informal introduction. Then we have to focus on 3 points. The first is opening, main idea, and closing. I know that sometimes you feel confused to make an introduction, so you have to think about the 3 main points. The first is opening. What is opening? Opening is the first step where you should open by saying greeting. Yup, greeting has 2 types, formal and informal. The formal is good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and informal you just say hi, hello, like that. Then you may see the example, good morning Mr. Rudolph, I would like to introduce myself. That was the formal. And then the informal one is, hi friends, I will introduce myself. And then the second point, after you think about the opening or greetings, the second is main idea. Yep, main idea is the essence of the material to be delivered. In this case, it's about introduction. And what are the content in introduction? The first is name, place and date born, age, address, status, religion, blood code, hobby, and family background. And here the detail of the introduction. Name, there are two kinds of name. The first is full name. It means original name or nickname. You can use your popular name. And then the second is about place and date born. To make a sentence about place and date born, you will use the preposition in to place and on for date. Example in sentence: I was born in West Java on October 13, 2001. And then the third is about age. Example in sentence: I am 18 years old. And then address: I live in Texas, or I live at Bukit Kemiling Permai number 162. And then status has two types: marital status and occupation. And then religion. The next is blood code. And then hobby, you may tell about your hobby. And then you have to tell your family background. And then the last is closing. Closing is a cover sentence or often called if taking. Example in sentence: I think that's enough. Thanks for your time and your attention. It's nice to see you. Well everyone, this is the assignment. Listen to the dialogue dan retell what the dialogue about. Ya, jadi tugasnya kalian diminta untuk mendengarkan dialog, kemudian menceritakan kembali nih dialog yang akan disampaikan itu tentang apa.
Today is the first day at school for Ali. She meets Aika. Then, they introduce each other.
Hi. Good morning. Allow me to introduce myself. I'm Raleen.
Good morning. My name is Aika. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. We are in the same class, right? I saw your name in the students list of my class.
Yeah, right. By the way, what book is that?
This is a book about cooking.
Oh, so you like cooking? I like cooking too.
Really? Good, so I have a friend to share with. Anyway, I must go now. Bye.
Bye. Take care.
Nah, setelah mendengarkan dialog tadi, kalian bisa menceritakan kembali apa sih isi dari dialog tersebut ya. Nah, setelah menyelesaikan tugas yang pertama, kita akan lanjut kepada tugas yang kedua. Answer the question below orally. What do you say if you introduce yourself? What do you say if someone say please to meet you? What is the response if someone say how do you do to you? I think the assignment is very easy. Ya, Mina rasa tugasnya sangat mudah sekali ya nak. So, please do the assignment and then record your answer. After that, you may send your answer or your voice note to me by WhatsApp or by Microsoft Teams. Well, I think enough for my explanation about the introduction. I hope it can be useful for you and you will understand. For watching, don't forget to give your like, comment, and subscribe. I think enough. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.